In today's video, we are making pumpkin spice popcorn. This recipe has only 6 ingredients and is a really quick and easy Halloween treat. My name is Ellie Johnson. Every week here on Let's Get Nourished, I'm sharing my favourite gluten-free and vegan recipes with you. I want you to be able to enjoy cooking, which is why all my recipes are simple, straightforward and suitable for your real everyday life. If you've been looking for an easy Halloween recipe for your kids or just to get that autumnal feeling, then this is the recipe for you. Let's get started! Firstly, we need 1 tablespoon of coconut oil, and we're going to heat this in a large pan. The choice of pan is important, as firstly it needs to be big enough once the corn is popped, but also it must have a tight fitting lid. I like to add in a couple of corn kernels, and once they've popped I know the pan is hot enough. So remove these corn kernels and pour in 1/4 cup of popcorn kernels. Shake the pan so that everything is fully coated in the oil. This is my favourite part, watching them all pop. I like to give everything a shake just to ensure the heat is evenly distributed across all the popcorn, and that will help it finish popping. You can find popcorn kernels at the supermarket. I found these at Tesco in the dried pulses section. Once they've all popped, remove the pan from the heat. Put a small pan on a low heat and melt 1 tablespoon of coconut oil and 2 tablespoons of coconut sugar with 1/4 teaspoon of ginger, 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon, and 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg. Once it's all combined in a nice syrup, pour it over the popcorn, trying to stir it in evenly as you pour. Once it's cool, it's ready to eat. Store it in an airtight container and it will stay fresh for a couple of days, although it does taste best eaten on the same day. Thank you for watching this video. Let me know in the comments below if you prefer sweet or salty popcorn. If you want more easy vegan and gluten-free recipes, you can get my free ebook, Weeknight Staples, by clicking the link in the description below. My ebook has my favourite simple dinner recipes in. Thank you to everyone who's downloaded it so far. I've had such amazing feedback from it and I really do appreciate you downloading it. So if you make any of my recipes, please tag me in your pictures. You can find me on Instagram at Let's Get Nourished. And if you want to see more videos from me, please do hit the subscribe button. It really does help me grow if you subscribe to my channel. Alright, that's everything for today. Until my next video, be nice to your friends, eat your greens and have a lovely day. Bye!